Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to our cycle number 3. So let's please in your notebook write the date and the title, vertebrates and invertebrates. So in your notebook also please let's write the objectives. Remember that we work two objectives. The first one is content objective. The student will be able to classify animals as vertebrates and invertebrates. In our language objective, we are going to listen that this part during our virtual classes, our synchronous classes. So I'm going to speak with you, and you're going to give me your opinion. Okay? So in this case, everybody has to participate. So we'll be able to express the characteristics which difference mammals from birds. Here we have a game, and in the game, you are going to go to the instructions. The instructions are very simple that match each word with the appropriate meaning or synonym. Then you're going to check the answers and then you're going to write the vocabulary and the meaning or synonyms in your note. So you're going to have for doing the game like 8 minutes. Okay, so in the next slide, you can check if your answers are correct or not. Okay? Then, please, you're going to watch these videos that are in the presentation that I post on Padlet. Even we are going to watch it right now. And the other part of the exercise, if you don't have and the other one. Okay, so what we are going to do as the exercise is very short and simple. If you're going to do it with another person, you're going to ask to the person that bend a little bit. And with your fingers, uh, you're going to press the back, the center, and you're going to feel something. Please, in your notebook, describe your feel. Thank you. Okay, and the part of the video, you're going to explain your notebook. What did you feel in the center of your back or on somebody's back? Okay, for this practice, let's take around 5 minutes. Okay, so we have the time for the explanation in our notebook. Let's check what do you have to have now until this moment in your notebook. First, you have to copy the date, title, and cycle 3. Then you are going to copy the objective. Uh, as a point number 3, you are going to copy the game vocabulary, only the vocabulary, okay, with the meaning in front. Not all the different of the information that are in the previous slide. And you have been explained already. What did you feel in the center of your back or somebody's back?